The lower zone actually has a larger number of points most often used in treatment in my practice. I do a lot of work in the legs. And that's interesting because in terms of internal medicine, it neither has any of the sense orifices of the upper part of the upper zone. It doesn't have any of the organs, nor any of the entry-exit points of digestion, i.e. your mouth and your anus, which are so important to make sure that things are coming in well and things are going out well. But balancing the flow of chi in the channels going to the head or chest is most easily done from the one area that has the least relevant physical things in the body. I think about that. And is it because of the distance of the leg? That there's more swing to the channel because you're further away? Because chi naturally rises even if it's going down, so by anchoring things down, even in the best of situations, there's a raising problem one way or another. But it fascinates me that in terms of its own illnesses, aside from neuropathy or opposite of burning, or burning pain, we can have hot or cold, we can have skin sores, rashes, and so much of what's going on in that lower zone is that there's too much building up down there, and so things are kind of fermenting and rotting and turning bad, and so they've got eczema and damp or rashes and it's really wet, or there's not enough getting down there, and so it's dry and cracky and red and lesions, but those lesions don't need clearing, they actually need water or moisture or yin. And so it seems to be such a path issue in the lower zone, as opposed to a gathering here and a gathering there.